Hey, so there's this crazy new AI side hustle that people are using to make $1,456 per day or more. And it involves creating videos with an AI tool that you've probably never heard of before. I couldn't believe it at first, but as I dug deeper, I discovered that complete beginners are making millions of views within their first week. It's kind of mind-blowing. So here's the gist of what they're doing. First, they go to this AI-powered video creation platform and choose a ready-made video template. Then, they use AI to generate interesting quiz questions and create their videos. Finally, they post it on social media and earn thousands of dollars from ad revenue and affiliate commissions. These type of videos are currently going viral. They are short and engaging, where you ask the viewer a question and get them think about the answer. You can easily make use of this trend and start earning money. The best part is, you can do this from anywhere in the world. No technical skills or fancy equipment needed. So if you're curious to know how to start the side hustle, make sure you watch the video till the end. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So this is Brand from Website Learners, and let's get started. I'm going to break down this process into 3 parts. The first part is to create your quiz video. We are going to create a quiz video in just 4 steps. The first step is to get the questions for our quiz. Now instead of creating the questions and answers on our own, we are going to use an AI tool to automatically generate the questions based on our topic. And this is the tool that we are going to use to get the quiz questions. I've given the link to the tool in the description below so you can easily access it. Just fill in these details such as the quiz topic. I'm going to enter space. Then choose the difficulty level. Enter the number of questions you want and the number of answer options that you want to give for each question. Once you're done, click Create Content. And you can see that it has generated the questions with 3 options and also the correct answers for the questions. You can even see that it has generated the keywords for images which we can use while making the quiz video. Okay, once we got the questions, let's go to the next step, which is to make the quiz video. Instead of creating a video from scratch, I've made a template for you which you can use to create the videos. You can find the link in the description below, so just click on it and it'll take you to Canva. Now click Edit Template. This is the video template that I have designed, and you can edit it however you want. Okay, first we need to add a question here. So let's go back to GravityWrite. Copy the question. And paste it here. Now here you can add any image you want. Remember, GravityWrite provided us with the keywords for the images while creating the quiz questions. Now let's use those keywords to find the right image. We're going to get the image from a website called Vecteezy. So to get the images, let's go to vecteezy.com. Here you need to enter what kind of image you want. So let's copy the image keyword from GravityWrite. Paste it here. And click search. We will get different stock images which we can use for our video. Select the one you want and download it. Now in the same way, you can use this keyword to find the image for the correct answer. Once we got the image, let's go back to Canva. Go to Uploads. Then click Upload Files. And drag and drop the images you downloaded. Once it is uploaded, you can drag it into a template like this and it will be added. Once you've added the image, next let's add the answer options. So just like we did before, let's copy the answers from GravityWrite and paste them here. Now to edit the next page, simply move the playhead like this. And here you can give the correct answer to the question. So just add the appropriate image and the right answer here. Once you're done, let's see how the video looks. Okay, we have created our first question. To add more questions to the quiz video, just duplicate these 2 pages and edit the content. To do that, just select the pages, right-click on it and click Duplicate 2 pages. As you can see, the pages have been duplicated. So just like we did before, let's add the next question here. Once you're done adding the questions, let's add an end screen like this to our video. so that you can encourage the viewers to follow your account for more videos. To do this, just go to the final page and click this icon. Then select duplicate page. Now to edit this page, first let's remove these items and click this icon. Now enter the text you want. Then go to Elements. And here you will find different attractive elements that you can add to your video. Just search for the element you want. And if you select any, it will be added here. In the same way, you can add a button like this, which will encourage viewers to check your profile. Okay, the visuals for our quiz video is ready right now. So to make it even more engaging, let's add a voiceover to our video. So next, let's go to the third step, which is to add the voiceover to our video. Now, if you have a great voice, you can definitely record the voiceover yourself. But if you're looking for a faster way, you can use AI. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to 11 Labs, a popular tool for generating high quality voiceovers. To create your voiceover, just click Get Started for free. Once you're signed in, you can click here and select the voice you want for your quiz video. Now to find more voices, click here. And you will find a lot of voices based on different categories. Choose the category you want. I'm going to select social media. And you'll see a list of voices to choose from. Listen to them and pick the one you like.
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet.
Our distrust is very expensive.
I like this voice, so I'll click Add. Now all you have to do is enter the text you want to generate a voiceover for. So let's copy the question. Paste it here and click Generate Speech.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
As you can see, the voiceover has been generated. Now to download it, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. In the same way, you can generate voiceovers for all the text. So once we've generated the voiceovers, we can add it to our video. So let's go back to Canva, go to Uploads, and drag and drop the voiceovers. Now just place the voiceover in the timeline like this and adjust it to match the visuals. Once you're done adding all the voiceovers, let's play the video and check how it sounds.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Milky Way.
You can see our video sounds great with the voiceover. Now that we've added the voiceover to our video, let's go to step 4, which is to add the background music for our video. Adding background music can really boost your video's quality and make it even more interesting to watch. So to add the background music, just go to Elements, click here, then go to Audio, search for the music you want. You can play and check if you like any music. Select it, then it will be added to the timeline like this. If you want, you can also adjust the volume by clicking here. So now we have successfully created our quiz video. So let's have a look at it.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong.
The video has come out pretty well actually. To download this video, just click Share, click Download, and just make sure you select all the pages here. Then again click Download, and your video will be downloaded. So now you know how to make a quiz video. GravityWrite has even more tools that will let you create different types of quiz videos in just a few steps. And here's how to find them. Head back to GravityWrite, search for quiz, and you will get 4 different tools. Let's check out the first one. All you need to do is fill up these details and it will generate the questions for your quiz instantly. Then use the video template given in the description below to create the video. I've also included the links to other templates for easy access. And once you get the template, add your questions and your answers and your quiz video will be ready. And the other 3 tools work the same way. Just choose the tool, generate your questions, open the template, and you're all set. These are the different kinds of quiz videos that you can generate using GravityWrite. Now we've seen how to create an entire quiz video from start to finish. So far, you might be thinking creating a quiz video can be pretty time consuming. But there's an easier way. There's an AI tool that can make quiz videos like these in just under 5 minutes, saving you a ton of time and effort. Now to create a quiz video like this, we're going to do 3 steps. The first step is to create an account on Visa. This is the tool which we are going to use to help us create the quiz video. To get the tool, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. To create an account, click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. And your account will be created. Once you've created the account, let's go to step 2, which is to select the template. To select the template, first you need to choose the video category. Now here, you'll find different categories in which you can make your video. Since we are creating a quiz video, let's select it. And you will find 2 different templates. Just like the one you want, I'm going to select this one. And once you selected the template, let's go to step 3, which is to generate the questions for the quiz. To do that, just click Generate Questions and enter the topic on which you want the video. Then click OK. Now this tool will generate a list of questions with 3 answer options, and it even marks the correct answers for you. If you want to add more questions, just click on the plus symbol and you can add your own questions. Once you're done, click Settings. Now you can select a voice for your video here. I'm going to keep the same. Then scroll down and click Continue. As you can see, the quiz video is being generated. Let's see how it looks.
What is the recommended daily amount of water intake for adults? B. 2 liter.
Actually, it looks pretty great. If you want to make any changes to the video, like the voice speed or the volume, you can go here and use these options. Now to download the video, just click Download and click Download again. Then click Download Video. And the video will be saved to your computer. Okay, now that your quiz video is ready to go, it's time to share it online so that people can see your video and you can start earning from it. So let's go to part 2 of this video, which is to post the video on social media. You can post the videos on any online platform like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. We're going to post it on Instagram. To do that, we're going to do 2 steps. The first step is to get captions for the Instagram post. So to get the captions, let's go back to GravityWrite, search for Instagram captions, and click on Instagram captions. Now fill in these details and click Create Content. As you can see, it has generated the captions for you. Once you got the captions, so let's go to step 2, which is to upload the video to Instagram. To get the best quality, I recommend uploading the video from my mobile device. So let's open Instagram on our phone, click on the plus symbol, and select Reel. Select the video that you created and click Next. If you want, you can also change the cover image here. Next, enter the caption that you have got from GravityWrite. To upload the video in high quality, go to More Options, scroll down, and enable this option. Once you've enabled it, just go back and click Share. And your video has been posted online. Now that your quiz video is live and has started getting views, it is time to turn those views into earnings. So let's go to part 3 of this video, where we'll see how to monetize our quiz videos. We're going to use affiliate marketing to monetize our video. Affiliate marketing is a process where you promote products which are sold by a company, and if someone buys the products based on your recommendation, then this company pays you a commission for the sale. But how do you actually promote these products? Let's say you found a product that you want to promote. By adding product recommendations to your video, you help your viewers to get what they want and also make money whenever they click on the link and buy it. So to set up affiliate marketing and start making money, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to choose the product that you want to recommend. This step is crucial because picking the right product can increase your affiliate commissions. So make sure the product fits well with your quiz video content. So let's start by finding out which products are the best sellers online. And to do that, we're going to use Amazon. So let's go to Amazon.com, click here, and select bestsellers. Here you'll find a list of best-selling products in different categories. You can select any category you like. I'm going to choose books. Then choose a subcategory based on your niche. I'm going to select astronomy. And as you can see, there are best-selling products under this category. Now you can select the products you want to recommend. Okay, once you found the products, let's go to the second step, which is to apply for an affiliate program. Since we have found the products on Amazon, I'm going to apply for Amazon's affiliate program. Now to get it, just scroll down to the bottom and here you'll find a link called Become an Affiliate. So let's click on it and sign up. Now it will take you to this login page. If you already have an Amazon account, you can log in here. If not, you can create a new account. So I'm going to create a new account. Just enter these details and click Create Account. Now enter your details and click Next and it will take you to this page. Here you can enter your Instagram profile or any social media link. Or if you have a website, you can also add your website's URL here. I'm going to add my Instagram profile link. So let's go back to our Instagram account. Copy the link. Paste it here. And click Add. Now click Next. Here, enter a unique store ID for your Amazon Associates account. This ID helps Amazon to identify your specific affiliate account. I'm going to enter Stellar Sagas. Next, give a description of the content that you create. And once you're done, select the type of content. Here enter the CAPTCHA, agree to the terms and conditions, and finally click Finish. So now we have successfully applied for our Amazon affiliate account. And as you can see, we have got a unique ID for our account. Now, according to Amazon's guidelines, you need to make at least 3 qualifying sales within the next 180 days or your account will be deactivated. Next, you need to add the bank details where you want to receive the payments. So let's click here, click Bank Account, and click Add New Bank Account. Here enter your bank details and then click Save Changes. And your bank details will be successfully added. Now if you click here, you will be able to see the commissions you've earned from your affiliate sales. Okay, so now we have successfully applied for the Amazon affiliate program. Next, let's go to the third step, which is to add the affiliate link to our Instagram profile. By adding the affiliate link to your Instagram bio, you can direct viewers to the products that you recommend and earn money whenever they purchase it. To do that, first, let's get the affiliate link of the product. Just go to the product you want to recommend, and here you'll find a bar that appears on top of every product on Amazon. Just click here and you will get the affiliate link to the product. Once you get the link, you can add it to your Instagram profile. So just copy it. Go to your Instagram account and click Edit Profile. Then click Add Link. Now go to the external link and paste the product link. Then give a name for it and click here. That's it. We successfully added the affiliate product link to our bio. Now when visitors click on the link in your bio and purchase the product from Amazon, you'll earn a commission. If you want to recommend multiple products, you can use a tool like Linktree. It lets you add affiliate link of several products in one single place and you'll get a single link to add in your bio like this. When a viewer clicks on the link, they will get a page like this with all the products that you recommend. When they click on a product, they'll be directed to the product page on Amazon. So that's it guys, this is how you can create engaging quiz videos and then monetize them through affiliate marketing. Now before we wrap up, just a reminder, GravityWrite also offers a powerful AI blog writer that lets you create and publish SEO-friendly blogs in just a few clicks. And it's available for only $97 a year. And if you're ready to launch your own website, Webspace Kit offers easy WordPress site building. Also, you can get 10% off by using the link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.